welcome back to Seplos channel.
Today we will present to you how to connect our Mason 516M to the Victron's inverter.
First, let's connect the communication cable. For the Victron's inverter, we need to make a custom communication cable. However, if your inverter is not Victron's, you don't need to. To say that, we have made a communication cable. Okay, let's do it. This RJ45 connector is sold to the battery and port. Another RJ45 connector to the VE can port. And next, we will connect the power cables. The next one is power cable connection for the external Victron's display. The V-Pass connects to the inverter's positive port, and this GND connects to the inverter's negative port. After all the cables set, first you go into the battery's setting. Get power on the battery and turn on the circuit break. Okay, let's go into the battery settings. First, we try the languages, English. Okay, let's trace the communication protocol and select the protocol and select the case of Victron's article. Okay, and yes. Then we go into Victron's display settings. First is the PMACC setting. PMACC turn on, SBS turn on, SPS turn on, temperature sensor, this turn on. After all those settings are done, go back to the settings interface. Go down to Service Settings, MQTT turn on, MQTT on length turn on. Go to VE CAN port and go into CAN bus profile. Select CAN bus BMS and go back to the main interface. Check the battery information with Victron's display module. Now you can see all the information is exactly the same. That means the connection is successful. Okay, this is all about today. If you would like to learn more about battery related topics or want to know how to connect under inverter brands, please leave a comment down below or send us a message. Thank you for watching.